कसं चांगला असतो? येस ऋषिकेश, कॅन यू गिव्ह द आन्सर? Which receiver is having good performance out of these two? Vaishnavi? वैष्णवी देशमुख. TRF रिसिव्हर आणि सुपर हेट्रोडाइन रिसिव्हर ह्याच्यापैकी कशाचा परफॉर्मन्स चांगला असतो? Which receiver is giving better performance? Super heterodyne receiver.
Super
Okay. Yes. After that आता ह्या परफॉर्मन्स कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहेत AM रिसिव्हरच्या, म्हणजे ज्याच्यावरून त्या AM रिसिव्हरचा परफॉर्मन्स डिसाइड होतो. So in that there is sensitivity, selectivity, fidelity. So I will just go through these notes. TRF receiver, then this is super heterodyne receiver. TRF receiver मध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होत नाही RF चा IF मध्ये, whereas in case of this super heterodyne receiver the conversion takes from radio frequency into IF frequency. त्यामुळे ह्याचा परफॉर्मन्स चांगला असतो. That one point to remember. MCQ point of view ने काय लक्षात ठेवायचं ते मी सांगते आधी. Then standard intermediate frequency for AM it is 455 kilohertz. AM साठी जी standard frequency आहे that is 455 kilohertz. That point you remember. That is also asked in the MCQ. Then image frequency. So image frequency, that is one particular frequency for which the performance of AM receiver is not as per our requirement. So it is given by the formula as, so FSI, that is image frequency. So it is given by the formula as, so here it is there, FSI is equal to Fs plus twice of Fi. That is the concept of image frequency. So that is unwanted frequency at which the performance of AM receiver is degraded. त्यामुळे इमेज फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला MCQ मध्ये विचारला जातो. FSI, that is symbol of image frequency, and it is given by the equation Fs plus twice of Fi. Then performance characteristics कुठल्या कुठल्या रेडिओ रिसिव्हरच्या? सिलेक्टिव्हिटी. सिलेक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय? एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर एक्सपेक्टेड बँडविड्थलाच त्यांनी किंवा एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रिक्वेन्सीलाच त्यांनी सिलेक्ट करायला पाहिजे. That parameter it is called as the selectivity. This is also frequently asked question in the MCQ. Selectivity. Sensitivity means what? थोडंफार सेमच आहे दोन्हीचं मिनिंग. It is defined as ability of receiver to work for expected frequency signals. जी काय expected frequency signal ची रेंज आहे त्या रेंजमध्ये रिसिव्हरने वर्क व्हायला पाहिजे. That is called as sensitivity. Fidelity means what? सेम एज दॅट ऑफ रिलायबिलिटी, म्हणजे तो किती वेळ चांगला वर्कआउट होऊ शकतो. दॅट इज वन कन्सेप्ट ऑफ फिडेलिटी. अँड अनदर कन्सेप्ट ऑफ फिडेलिटी इट इज जे काही फ्रिक्वेन्सी कंपोनंट ट्रान्समीटरने ट्रान्समिट केलेले आहेत त्या कंपोनंट पैकी किती कंपोनंट तो रिकवर करू शकतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द फिडेलिटी. सो फिडेलिटी इज मेजर ऑफ ॲबिलिटी ऑफ रिसिव्हर टू रिप्रोड्यूस all the frequencies present in the original signal. Original signal मधल्या किती frequency component तो recover करू शकतो. That is called as the fidelity. Okay. Image frequency बघितलं आपण, त्याचा फॉर्म्युला विचारला जातो MCQ मध्ये. नेक्स्ट इज स्टॅबिलिटी. स्टॅबिलिटी म्हणजे काय? वेगवेगळ्या फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंजला त्यांनी परफॉर्मन्स स्टेबल द्यायला पाहिजे. दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड स्टॅबिलिटी. Then next characteristics is automatic gain control. So automatic gain control ही अशी प्रॉपर्टी आहे ज्याच्यामुळं AM रिसिव्हर मध्ये in proportionate with incoming signal gain of the AM receiver is automatically adjusted. आता AM रिसिव्हर मध्ये RF एम्प्लिफायर यूज केलेला असतो. RF एम्प्लिफायर, IF एम्प्लिफायर दोन्ही एम्प्लिफायर यूज केलेले असतात. तर त्या एम्प्लिफायरचे automatic gain adjust होतात based on the input signal at the AM receiver, and that is done by this AM receiver or that is done by this automatic gain control block. So all these are the performance characteristics of AM receiver. Next we have seen mixer. So what is the function of mixer in the AM receiver? Mixer means what? What is the function of this mixer block in AM receiver? Yes, give the answers, please. What is the function of mixer block? AM receiver मध्ये mixer use करतात. TRF receiver मध्ये use करत नाहीत. It is used only in the super heterodyne receiver. So what is the function of this mixer block? Can you tell?
It makes the frequencies.
It जे काही दोन इनपुट फ्रिक्वेन्सी सिग्नल आहेत तो मिक्स करतो फ्रिक्वेन्सी मिक्सर. So mixer is the circuit. So here in this block diagram, if you see this is the block of mixer. Input frequency आणि local oscillator ची frequency ह्या दोन्हीच्या व्हॅल्यू वरती इंटरमिडिएट फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिपेंडंट असते. रिव्हर्सली वी कॅन से आपल्याला हे एफएस ची व्हॅल्यू माहित असते. इंटरमिडिएट फ्रिक्वेन्सी व्हॅल्यू फिक्स आहे एएम ची. किती आहे सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला एएम ची इंटरमिडिएट फ्रिक्वेन्सी व्हॅल्यू. व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू of IF frequency for AM?
455
Can you tell?
kilohertz.
It is 455 kilohertz. Okay. So 455 kilohertz, that is the frequency or a standard intermediate frequency for AM. Then based on that value of this frequency, intermediate frequency and this AM frequency, local oscillator ची frequency त्याच्या accordingly adjust केली जाते. Okay, and in that way we get the function of mixer. Okay, so mixer चा एक type बघितला आपण. There are two types of mixers, frequency mixer and separately excited mixer. Out of that we have seen this frequency mixer. So this is mixer block. ह्याची AM ची frequency आहे local oscillator frequency, and at output we are getting intermediate frequency. So this frequency mixer is converting this AM frequency in the form of this intermediate frequency. That is the function of mixer, and the main type of mixer which is frequently used, that is frequency mixer. So here the block diagram is given, and here the operating principle it is given. So Fs is the input AM frequency, FO is the frequency by local oscillator, and FI is the intermediate frequency. आणि ह्याच फ्रिक्वेन्सीला अजून फिल्टर आउट करण्यासाठी पुढे आपण त्याच्यासाठी ट्युनिंग सर्किट यूज केलेले. ओके, सो दिस इज द मिक्सर पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव सीन, that is tracking. So tracking is the process used in the AM receiver for tuning purpose. AM receiver मध्ये ट्युनिंग पर्पज साठी आपण ट्रॅकिंग use करतो. So for that tuning purpose, a set of capacitors it is used. Set of capacitors it is used in the AM receiver for tuning purpose, and that is called as the tracking process. Okay. Then we have, so tracking, based on that mostly questions will not be asked. Now the next important point we have seen, that is AM detector types. Okay. So AM detector is the circuit actually which is demodulating the AM signal. म्हणजे AM signal मधून modulating signal extract करणे हे function basically AM detector मध्ये carry out होतं. So there are two types of the AM detectors. We have seen envelope detector and rectifier detector. Okay, so based on this the oral question can be asked. What are the two types of AM detectors? Envelope detector, another name for that it is diode detector, and rectifier detector. Okay, so how this envelope detector works? So basic input for this envelope detector, it is AM signal. The basic AM signal it is passed through the diode. It's a waveform पण दिलेले. Okay, so here hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. There was one call, so I was disconnected. My voice is audible?
Yes.
So, envelope detector याला बेसिक इनपुट दिलेलं असतं AM सिग्नल. AM सिग्नल हा जेव्हा डायोड मधून पास होतो तेव्हा this diode is acting as a unidirectional device. So, negative part of this waveform it is clipped when it is passed through the diode and only this positive half cycle remains. आणि याच्यामध्ये काही still some high frequency components are present. That's why to eliminate these high frequency components, this RC filter it is used, which is acting as a low pass filter. आणि ह्या फायनल आउटपुटला आपल्याला ओरिजिनल मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल रिकवर होतो. ओके, सो दॅट इज द बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ दिस डायोड डिटेक्टर. याच्यामध्ये मेन डिव्हाइस आहे डायोड. दॅट्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द डायोड डिटेक्टर or it is also called as the envelope detector. So when this AM signal it is passed through diode, it is passing it only in positive direction. So here it is getting waveform like this. Then when this this signal it is passed through this RC formed low pass filter, there is these high frequency signals are eliminated. ह्या फिल्टरची फ्रिक्वेन्सी लो पास फिल्टरला सेट केलेली असते. सो ओनली लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी कंपोनंट्स दॅट इज नथिंग बट ओनली दिस modulating signal we will able to get at the output. That is the function of this envelope detector. आणि rectifier detector मध्ये काय होतं, that this additionally one low pass filter it is added here before this RC filter. मग basic function दोन्हीचं same आहे, but because of use of this low pass filter here, the performance of this receiver it is more increased. Okay, that is the function of this rectifier detector. So these two detectors are used in the AM detector circuit. Okay, so that two types we have seen. And next we have seen the demodulation of DSBC signal and demodulation of SSBC signal. Okay, so these 2 points we will discuss later in the next lecture. You just go through that. सेम आहे, फक्त काय केलं जातं याच्यामध्ये आपण ट्रान्समीटरला DSBSC सिग्नल जनरेट करण्यासाठी काय करतो, बेसिक AM मधून कॅरियर मायनस करतो. बेसिक AM मधून कॅरियर मायनस करतो अँड वी आर एबल टू गेट द DSBSC सिग्नल. त्याच्या रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस आपल्याला रिसिव्हरला करावं लागते. DSBSC मध्ये आपण काय करतो, कॅरियर ऍड करतो. जो कॅरियर आपण DSBSC जनरेट करताना AM मधून मायनस केलेला आहे, सेम कॅरियर सिग्नल आपण ऍड करतो DSBSCच्या डिमॉड्युलेशन प्रोसेसमध्ये. अँड दॅट्स वाय as the same carrier it is added at the receiver, that is called as the synchronous detection method. Okay, so whatever is this, it is called as the synchronous detection method. Okay, so जो carrier आपण ट्रान्समीटर मध्ये ऍड केलाय, सेम carrier signal we are or whatever carrier signal we have at transmitter side, same we at the receiver. That's why it is called as the synchronization method for DSBSC demodulation. Okay, then we have seen the demodulation method for SSBSC also. Okay,
No, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, am I audible now? I was
Yes, ma'am.
disconnected. I was disconnected because of some network issue. Just give me 1 minute. So whatever are the demodulation methods for DSBSC and SSBSC, you just go through that methods. If any problem or if you are having doubt in any point, we can discuss it in the some another lecture. Okay, so today we will first revise the MCQs from chapter number 4 and 5. That will be helpful for your test based on that particular chapters. Okay, so just give 1 minute. I am connecting. तुम्ही ते ऍडिशनल एमसीक्यू जे मी सेंड केले होते ते बघितलेत का सगळ्यांनी? हॅव यू गॉन थ्रू दॅट ऍडिशनल एमसीक्यूज विच आय हॅव शेअर्ड ऑन युअर इन युअर स्टडी मटेरियल?
Yes, ma'am.
इंटरनेट वरती जे ऍडिशनल होते ते तुम्ही बघितलेत का जे मी सेंड केले होते ते? इफ नॉट यू गो थ्रू दॅट. दॅट इज हेल्पफुल फ्रॉम some general point of view also. So just a minute, I will present the screen. Okay. So we will discuss the MCQs from chapter number 4. Okay. So first MCQ from this it is, all of you please pay attention properly. First MCQ, the ability of receiver to select the wanted signal among the various incoming signal. If number of input signals are coming to the AM receiver, the ability of receiver to select the particular signal, that is termed as. So the options are sensitivity, selectivity, stability, and D is none of above. So what is the correct answer for this? काय म्हणतो आपण त्या कॅपॅसिटीला AM रिसिव्हरच्या? पाहिजे तो सिग्नल सिलेक्ट करणे. Yes, stability.
No, ma'am. Selectivity.
Okay. That is called as the selectivity. पहिली परफॉर्मन्स कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहे AM रिसिव्हर मधली, सिलेक्टिव्हिटी. पर्टिक्युलर फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा सिग्नल, जर आपल्याला तर माहिती आहे मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नलची फ्रिक्वेन्सी 1 किलोहर्ट्झ आहे, AM सिग्नलची आहे 100 किलोहर्ट्झ. तर फ्रिक्वेन्सीज आपल्याला माहित असतात. एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रिक्वेन्सी फक्त सिलेक्ट करणे, ह्या रिसिव्हरच्या कॅपॅसिटीला आपण म्हणतो सिलेक्टिव्हिटी. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट second question, super heterodyne receivers, option A, have better sensitivity, have high selectivity, C, need extra circuitry for frequency conversion, and D is all of above. Okay, so I will ask randomly the answer for anyone. Okay, so Chaitali Shinde is there. What is answer for this question? Super heterodyne receiver. Yes, your voice is not audible, Chaitali. Type the answer in the chat box. Yes, Himani Swami is there. काय ह्याच्यापैकी करेक्ट ऑप्शन सुपर हेटेरोड आणि रिसिव्हरच्या बाबतीत? व्हॉट इज द करेक्ट आन्सर? काजल, मधुरा. सुपर हेटेरोड आणि रिसिव्हरचा परफॉर्मन्स चांगला असतो ऍज कम्पेअर्ड विथ TRF receiver. So why it is better? Yes, anybody else can give the answer. Yes, Omkar, what is the correct option for this? Okay.
All of the
So what
above,
it
ma'am.
is?
All of above
Yes,
येते मॅम.
all of above, because super heterodyne and receiverचा सेन्सिटिव्हिटी पण चांगली असते, सिलेक्टिव्हिटी पण TRF रिसिव्हर पेक्षा जास्त असते. त्याच्यामध्ये एक्स्ट्रा सर्किट फ्रिक्वेन्सी कन्व्हर्जन साठी लागतं, दॅट इज मिक्सर इज रिक्वायर्ड इन सुपर हेटेरोडाइन receiver. So all the options are there, that's why the correct option is all of above. Okay, then third question which can be asked in oral also. Standard IF frequency for AM receiver is. प्रत्येक ऍप्लिकेशन साठी IF फ्रिक्वेन्सीची व्हॅल्यू फिक्स असते. तर मग AM रिसिव्हर मध्ये IF फ्रिक्वेन्सीची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे असं विचारलं इथं. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट व्हॅल्यू? व्हॉट विल बी करेक्ट आन्सर?
Option B. Option B.
4.5 kilohertz.
Okay, correct. Yes, option B is correct. That is 455 kilohertz. That is IF frequency for AM receiver. Then in television receiver, the device used for tuning the receiver to the incoming signal is. त्या रिसिव्हरला इनकमिंग सिग्नल सोबत. So always remember, whatever is our radio or television, these are acting as a receivers. These are acting as a receivers. So in television receiver, the device used for tuning the receiver with the incoming signals, so that device it is called as the varactor diode. So varactor diode is the device used for the tuning purpose in the television receiver. Okay, so you remember the answer, varactor diode. Then this is simple question. The modulation technique that uses minimum channel bandwidth. ह्या ऑप्शन पैकी कुठल्या मॉड्युलेशन मेथड मध्ये चॅनल बँडविड्थ कमी रिक्वायर्ड असते? दॅट इज आस्क्ड. सो FM, DSBSC, VSB आणि SSB. So where the bandwidth requirement is less and power requirement and bandwidth requirement कशामध्ये कमी असते सांगा मला? SSB. FM मध्ये तर it is complex, so bandwidth required is high in case of FM. DSBSC moderate, VSB also moderate. SSBSC मध्ये एकच साइड बँड असल्यामुळे तिथं बँडविड्थ आणि पॉवर रिक्वायरमेंट कमी असते. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज advantages of using the RF amplifier are. So what are the advantages of using the RF amplifier that is asked? So RF amplifier is having better selectivity, better sensitivity, improved signal to noise ratio and all of above. So all of above is the correct answer. RF amplifier आहे, त्याला selectivity पण चांगली आहे, sensitivity is also more and signal to noise ratio ह्याच्यामुळे improve होतो. मीन्स ह्याचा गेन जास्त आहे त्यामुळे आउटपुट सिग्नल वाढतो आणि noise it is comparatively reduced. So as a result SNR ratio is also increased. So improved SNR ratio. So all the options are correct for this particular question. Okay, then next, this is also generic question. Advantages of analog communication over digital communication are. What are the advantages? Data rate is low, less transmission bandwidth is required, synchronization is not needed, and all of above. So what is the correct answer for this question?
D.
Yes, what you said, B or D? I didn't understand.
D, all of above.
ऑल ऑफ अबव. डेटा रेट ह्याच्यामध्ये कमी असतो. बँडविड्थ जी रिक्वायर्ड आहे सिस्टीमसाठी ती बँडविड्थ सुद्धा कमी आहे. Synchronization is not required between the transmitter and receiver, and option D it is all of above. So all of above is the correct answer for this question. Then next, in terms of signal frequency, that is AM frequency. FS म्हणजे सिग्नलची फ्रिक्वेन्सी, म्हणजे बेसिक AM सिग्नल जो रिसिव्हरला आहे त्याच्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण FS म्हणतो. So that in terms of signal frequency, intermediate frequency, the image frequency is given by, so what is the formula
B.
for image frequency?
FS plus 2FI.
FS plus 2FI. That is the formula for this image frequency. Okay, so always remember image frequency ही unwanted frequency आहे AM receiver मध्ये. जेव्हा image frequency एवढा सिग्नल रिसिव्हरच्या इनपुटला येतो तेव्हा त्याचं फंक्शनिंग ऍज पर रिक्वायरमेंट होत नाही. That's why the expectation from AM receiver is it should be able to reject the image frequency. त्यामुळे त्याला इमेज फ्रिक्वेन्सी रिजेक्शन रेशो ही एक प्रॉपर्टी म्हणलेली आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आन्सर फॉर दिस. त्याचा फॉर्म्युला हा आहे FS प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ FI. देन नेक्स्ट इज द crosstalk is. Crosstalk means what? The disturbance caused in the nearby channel or circuit due to transmitted signal, adjacent frequency rejection, generation of closely lying sidebands, and none of above. So what is the correct answer for this? Crosstalk means what? Interference in the signal from different channel. So whenever there is interference or mixing of signals from two different channels into each other. आता आपण जर कुठलीही कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टीम बघितली तर त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या चॅनल थ्रू सिग्नल ट्रान्समिट होत असतात. सो each channel is given to the space or each signal is desired to transmit through specific channel. पण त्या चॅनल मधून सिग्नल ट्रान्समिट होत असताना जेव्हा एकमेकांमध्ये मिक्सिंग होतं at that time it is called as the crosstalk. त्याच्याशी त्या अर्थाचं सिमिलर ऑप्शन कुठे इथे सांगा मला. व्हॉट इज द आन्सर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? व्हॉट इज द आन्सर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? व्हॉट इज आन्सर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन?
A option.
A option. Okay.
Yes.
That is the disturbance caused by in the nearby channel or circuit due to transmitted signal. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Then next is the COSTAS receiver is used for. So the COSTAS receiver, it is used for FM signal, DSBSC signal, PCM signal, and DM signal. So for which signal this COSTAS receiver it is used? That is on specific circuit used for demodulation. So for what purpose it is used? That is used for
DSP.
COSTAS receiver, it is used for the demodulation of DSPSC signal. Okay, so for this you remember answer it is B. Then next, the advantages of using RF amplifier are better sensitivity. Already it is repeated. Better sensitivity, improved signal to noise ratio, better sensitivity, selectivity, all of above. So the correct answer it is all of above. Then the automatic gain control of AM receiver. AM receiver चा जो automatic gain control आहे त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं? Gain of the receiver is adjusted. The gain adjustment depends on the strength of the received signal. And C, the output provided is a DC voltage, and D, it is all of above. So what is the correct answer? Automatic gain control मध्ये काय होतं AM receiver च्या? What is the function of this automatic gain control? Yes.
Gain of receiver adjusted.
Gain of receiver, it is adjusted, or the gain adjustment depends on the strength of the received signal. So you remember this diagram. जो काही इथं इनपुटला येणारा सिग्नल आहे, आता ऑटोमॅटिक गेन कंट्रोल हा सुपर हेटेरोडाइन रिसिव्हर मध्ये यूज होतो. ओके, मग इथं येणाऱ्या सिग्नलचा जो काही सिग्नलची स्ट्रेंथ आहे त्या सिग्नलच्या प्रोपोर्शनेट मध्ये इथं ह्या ऑटोमॅटिक गेन कंट्रोल ह्या सर्किटचा गेन ऍडजस्ट होतो. ओके, गेन इज नॉट ओनली ऍडजस्टेड जस्ट, बट द गेन ऍडजस्टमेंट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द रिसिव्ड सिग्नल. रिसिव्ड सिग्नलची स्ट्रेंथ जर जास्त असेल तर त्या रिसिव्हरचा गेन अकॉर्डिंगली जास्त प्रमाणात ऍडजस्ट होतो. And if the signal strength is less, the gain of the receiver it is accordingly adjusted. Okay, so the correct option it is B. Actually A and B दोन्ही correct आहेत, but the most correct option it is the B. Okay, the gain adjustment depends upon strength of the received signal. Okay, so these are the MCQs from this chapter number 4. Okay, so MCQs from chapter number 4 we have discussed. So we will start with MCQs in chapter number 5. So chapter number 5 कुठला आहे सांगा मला? What is chapter number 5? Which is chapter number 5?
FM transmission and reception.
Reception. Okay, so FM transmission and reception, that is chapter number 5. So in this, all the concepts related to FM generation and FM reception it is covered. Okay, then in this chapter the points we have to see, that is basic mathematical analysis of FM, FM चा spectrum, हे सगळे theoretical point आपण revise करू. Just initially I am revising this MCQs from this chapter number 5. So first question it is, what is the role of amplitude limiter in FM receiver? So few of the MCQs are like this, कि ते actually ते chapter शी related नाही, but still that MCQs are there in the MCQ list. Okay, so for that particular MCQs you have to remember the answer. So first it is, what is the role of amplitude limiter in FM receiver? So amplitude limiter, that is one circuit used in the FM receiver. So what is its role, that is asked. Okay, so the role of the amplitude limiter is filtration. Okay, so what is the role of the amplitude limiter in the FM receiver? First option is filtration, adjust the gain of the receiver, amplify a weaker signal and demodulate a signal. So correct answer for this question number 1, it is D. So it is demodulating the FM signal. So basic function of this amplitude limiter circuit it is to demodulate a signal. So option for first is D. Then next question, can anyone read what is next question? Read the next question. Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. Read it.
What is carrier swing?
पहिला लक्षात आला. पहिल्याचा आन्सर लक्षात ठेवा की अँप्लिट्यूड लिमिटर हे एक स्पेसिफिक टाइपचं सर्किट आहे, FM रिसिव्हर मध्ये यूज केलं जाणार. That's why the correct option it is to demodulate a signal. That is the role of amplitude limiter. So first question option D is correct. Second, what is carrier swing? So carrier swing म्हणजे काय? That is asked in this second question. So first option is frequency deviation, B width of sideband, C instantaneous frequency, and D it is total variation in the frequency. So what is the function of this carrier swing, or what is the meaning of carrier swing? आता FM मध्ये काय होतं, इन proportionate with the frequency of or in proportionate with the modulating signal carrier ची frequency change होते, and related to that only this word it is used. So carrier swing means total variation in the frequency. FM मध्ये दोन frequencies असतात, FM max आणि FM minimum. मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नलच्या मॅक्झिमम पॉझिटिव्ह व्होल्टेजला आपल्याला FM मॅक्स मिळतो, मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नलच्या निगेटिव्ह पीकला आपल्याला FM मिनिमम मिळतो. मग जो काही टोटल कॅरियर फ्रिक्वेन्सी मधला चेंज आहे, that variation in carrier frequency it is known by the term as carrier swing. So option for this question it is D. Correct option it is D. Carrier swing means total variation in the frequency. Okay. Then next, third question. The amount of data transmitted for a given amount of time is called as. एखाद्या specific time period मध्ये जो data transmit होतो, what that data it is called as? It is asked. So option A is bandwidth, B is frequency, C is noise. Hello. Yes. Any doubt? Bandwidth, frequency, noise and signal power. So what is the option for this question? Correct option. एखाद्या स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट मध्ये जो डेटा आपण ट्रान्समिट करतो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द बँडविड्थ. ओके, जेवढा जास्त डेटा तो तेवढ्या टाइम पिरियड मध्ये ट्रान्समिट करू शकतो त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, तेवढी त्या सिस्टीमची बँडविड्थ जास्त आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द answer for this question. Then next, function of frequency mixer in super heterodyne receiver is. So what is the function of frequency mixer in super heterodyne receiver? Amplification, filtering, multiplication of incoming signal and the locally generated signal, and none of above. So what is the answer for this question? Yes, what is the correct answer for this question? आताच बघितलं आपण, मिक्सर हा ब्लॉक रिसिव्हर मध्ये आपण दोन सिग्नल मिक्स करण्यासाठी यूज करतो. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? करेक्ट ऑप्शन कुठलं आहे सांगा?
None of the above.
नन ऑफ अबव. नो, ऍक्च्युली दोन सिग्नलचं तिथं मिक्सिंग होतं. मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल सॉरी AM ची फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि और व्हॉट एव्हर इज द इनकमिंग सिग्नल, इनकमिंगला आलेला सिग्नल आणि लोकल ऑसिलेटर मधून जनरेट झालेला सिग्नल, ह्या दोन सिग्नलचं तिथं मिक्सिंग होतं. बट द मॅथमॅटिकल प्रोसेस विच इज कॅरिड आउट देअर दॅट इज ऍक्च्युअली द multiplication process. So that's why function of frequency mixer in super heterodyne receiver is multiplication of incoming signal and the locally generated carrier. So option C it is correct for this question. Then fifth it is example of continuous wave analog modulation is. Now you tell answer for this question. Continuous wave analog signal म्हणजे काय, ज्याच्यामध्ये मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आणि कॅरियर सिग्नल दोन्हीही एनालॉग फॉर्म मध्ये आहेत, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द कंटिन्युअस वेव्ह
amplitude
मॉड्युलेशन.
AM
PCM,
AM
डेल्टा मॉड्युलेशन, AM और पल्स एम्पलीट्यूड
amplitude
मॉड्युलेशन.
modulation.
एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्युलेशन. ओके, सो एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्युलेशन मध्ये मॉड्युलेटिंग सिग्नल आणि कॅरियर सिग्नल दोन्हीही एनालॉग फॉर्म मध्ये असतात. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस इट इज option C. So remaining MCQs we will discuss in the next lecture, and we will start with revision of chapter number 5. So it's my request that you go through the notes of chapter number 5 which I have shared in your study material, so that it will be helpful for you to understand the points in the chapter number 5. Okay, any doubt you are having related to your submission?
Hello.
You can ask. Yes.
Ma'am.
Just a minute.
एकदा
Just a minute.